In this video, we're going to show you how to make things bold in your estimate items and in your report. So now you'll notice here in this estimate, and this is not a real estimate, it's just one of the exercises from the workbook, but you'll notice down here I've got 3 line items that I added. I added a note that says beginning of supplement, I added 1 line item, and then I added another note that says end of supplement. Well, let's say I want to make those items bold. Now, one way to do that is I can just click and select and highlight those 3 items, and then I can right-click, go up to my line edit options, and notice how it gives me the option here of making it bold. And now that looks great on the estimate items, but the problem is that it only made the line item bold in the report. So if I go to the report, for example, let's take a look here. You will notice that it made the line item bold, but it did not make the notes bold. So if you want the notes bold, you're going to have to go into the note and make them bold in the note. So I'm going to go back to my estimate items here. I'm going to open up that note and then highlight it and click on the bold tool. And now you'll notice it's going to be bold on the report, but it unmade it bold here. So now I've got to go back to right-click, line edit options, and say make it bold again. And now you'll notice this one will be bold on the report. This one will not. If I want to make this one also bold on the report, again, I have to go into the note, make it bold in the note, and unfortunately that unmakes it bold in my estimate item. So now I have to go back and right-click on the line edit options, go down to bold, and now they should be bold both here and in the report. So, you know, I took the long way of doing this. Obviously, the smart way of doing it is when you do this sort of thing, make the note bold in the note, and that way when you right-click on all 3 of them and make them bold, again, with the second bold tool, they'll be bold in both places. So let's take a look at the report. And there we go. Now you'll notice it's bold in the report, so it stands out, showing that it wasn't part of the original estimate, and it also shows that way nicely in the estimate items, again showing that it's not part of the original estimate. So just remember, if you want your items bold in both places for notes, make the note bold first in the note, then you can highlight all 3, the notes and the item, right-click, use that bold tool, and then they'll be bold in both the report and in the estimate items. And that's where we're going to end this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you at the next video. Well, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, give it the old thumbs up. I think it's down here somewhere, or even better, subscribe so that you get to see any of the future videos that I post on here. Have a great day. We'll see you at the next video.